In southern Massachusetts, there's a small but famous company called Factory 5 Racing. It's a name whispered in the garages of gearheads around the world. They've been respected since 1995, thanks to their affordable component cars like the Shelby Cobra replica, 33 Hot Rod, and GTM supercar. But over the summer of 2023, the DIY brand branched off from the car world to start offering something a little bit different. They call it the XTF, and it's not just your standard lift kit, but a massive overhaul and the ultimate upgrade for an F150. A tube chassis, long travel, PreRunner style widebody, made to slay the mighty Raptor R for about half the price. A PreRunner is the truck that racing teams use to scout and test run off-road race courses before a competition. Rather than risk damaging the fully built million-dollar trophy trucks, they'll instead take a hybrid that uses the suspension from the race vehicle but a heavier cab from the factory truck. This also leaves enough space inside for the driver, navigator, team manager, and mechanic to come along and help plan the route from checkpoint to checkpoint. The PreRunner may not be as fast as the trophy truck, but it often sees many more miles as it goes back and forth for days in the high-temperature environment. A true workhorse designed to bear the brunt of the race's demands. Factory 5 says the XTF is engineered to withstand that same PreRunner abuse. To do that, it completely replaces the stock F150 ladder frame with a new 17-foot CAD design chassis. It weighs 100 pounds more than the stock frame, but is also nearly twice as strong. A custom off-road suspension kit bolts onto it, comprised of tubular control arms and remote reservoir Fox shocks, offering 16 inches of travel in the front and 20 in the rear. The final build is 90 inches wide, bigger than both the Raptor R and the H1 Hummer. That's thanks to an included composite widebody, a perfect complement to the laser-cut aluminum bed and heavy-duty tailgate. And if you're aiming for that extra dash of extravagance, a full carbon fiber body will soon be available for an additional $7,000. The kit is designed to fit over a 2015 to 2020 Ford F150 crew cab, though later models can work with some modification. The unique part about the XTF is that, just like the PreRunners it takes inspiration from, it keeps the factory cab from the donor truck, meaning you get to have all the creature comforts of the regular F150 interior. The stock four-wheel drive powertrain is also kept, which means you can build an XTF with either the 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 or the 5-liter Coyote V8. That'll leave you with a weight hovering around 5,500 pounds and a tow capacity of 5,000. So you can finally haul your Factory 5 with your Factory 5. The company boldly claims that their PreRunner platform has the potential to outperform the Raptor R, a factory Ford truck that costs 6 figures even before dealer markups. The XTF costs only a fraction of that, starting at $25,000 for the kit, plus a donor F150 and a set of off-road wheel and tires. Since the whole build is largely based on an F150, it maintains all the stock VINs, and the company says it can be registered, insured, and even financed like a regular F150. A handy loophole that makes putting the XTF on the street much easier than your average component car. So if you've always wanted to defeat the Raptor, but didn't have the budget to buy a trophy truck, the XTF may be the perfect solution to building your own custom super truck slayer. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.